Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
President ka UDP East Khasi Hills District uba Titos Tarwel Khan ulayathu ba ka UDP kamju Jied upaya Kyrtong Myntri Rangbah. Nakaliang ba Titos ulayathu ba ka seng kan penyeng Kyrtong Khambun hagani ka election ka banwan. Ula ongru ba ka seng ka thrang bandon ka sarkar ka ba khuj basuba banwan ra ya ka roy ka par ha ka jilla. Habayri ba ka jingkano bamsam nakaliang ba Titos ula ong ba nakaliang ko jong ula kren syai bagi menteri sarkar neki officer ki bedan kti ha kampam sam kiri bansha pensitom.
That is a small issue, that is not corruption, because the MDC has getting that DG, so they are not submitting the UC, but we believe that the MDC already implement that money, but the only problem that they cannot submit the UC. That is the only problem.
So the council should candidate in the coming election.
No, in the UDP we never decide for the candidate, CM candidate.
So what will be your election agenda when you approach the election?
Yeah, the main agenda is to fight. We want a clean government. We want a free corruption government. We want a government that we should provide employment to the youth. We want to create more revenue for the state. That is the main agenda.
But then
Now we have revived all the formalities. Yesterday we have decided that unless and until you submit the UC, we will not release the money. Decided in the last EC yesterday that quarter audit will be conducted now every quarter.
okay, coming down to the government which is alleged to be involved in so many discrepancies, you should have pulled out of the government. The NPP led.
That's why I have given a clear statement that any minister, any officer who involved in corruption, they should be punished.
But what,
Planning to contest maximum seat, but at least from Garo Hills maybe we will have less number, maybe 10 or 15 seats. But in Khasi Jaintia, I think we will cover all the 36. For 8 months, what is the use of to pull out from the government? What is the benefit?
you did not table the reports.
Yes,
What is the reason?
I don't know. That it depends on the CAG why they delay the report.
What about HSBC?
We will have understanding with some like-minded parties, but not triple alliance.